Welcome to Let Me Fix This. Enjoy the video.
You start by opening VK and verifying you're signed in. Make sure it's the account where you expect the QR code. Once done, check the app version and update if it's outdated, because QR features move between releases. Next, enable camera and storage permissions. Those allow the app to scan or generate codes. If you're on web, switch to mobile view or mobile site. That exposes the QR menu. Now head to the profile or settings area to begin locating the QR option. You now navigate to the QR entry point. Open your profile, tap the three-line menu, then choose QR. When you see options, pick Scan to read another code or My QR to view your code. Grant camera access if asked. For scanning, position the phone so the QR fills about half the screen. Good light and steady hand speed detection. If the code won't read, try toggling camera permission and switching between front and back cameras. VK sometimes prefers the back camera for clarity. To finish, tap My QR, then use Share to send it via another app or Save to download the image to your gallery. This makes distribution simple. If VK blocks saving, take a clear screenshot and crop to the code, but make sure privacy settings permit this. One key troubleshooting tip: if scanning or displaying fails, clear the app cache, force close and reopen VK, and if that doesn't help, reinstall the app. After reinstall, re-grant permissions and try again.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.